where 4 documents will be exchanged. First, we have the Memorandum of Understanding between the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Geophysical Research Institute, Geological Survey of Denmark and Greenland on mapping of groundwater resources and aquifers. This will be exchanged from the Danish side by His Excellency Freddie Swain, Ambassador of Denmark, and on the Indian side by Dr. V.M. Tiwari, Director, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Geophysical Research Institute, Hyderabad. Number 2 is an agreement on traditional knowledge digital library access between the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, India, and Patent and Trademark Office, Denmark. This will be exchanged from the Danish side by His Excellency Freddie Swain, Ambassador of Denmark, and on the Indian side, Industrial Research, Traditional Knowledge Digital Library Unit, New Delhi. Number 3 is a MOU between the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and Danfoss Industries Private Limited to establish a center of excellence. This will be exchanged on the Danish side by Mr. Ravichandran Purushottaman, President, Danfoss India, and on the Indian side by Professor Govindan Rangarajan, Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Fourth is a joint letter of intent between Denmark. This will be exchanged on the Danish side by His Excellency Freddie Swain, Ambassador of Denmark, and on the Indian side by Shri Rajesh Agarwal, Secretary, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, apart from the above MOUs, the following commercial agreements have been signed on the sidelines of fuel technologies on the development of the hydrogen electrolyzer and the subsequent manufacturing and deployment of the hydrogen electrolyzer in India. Number 2 is a MOU between Infosys Technologies and Aarhus University to establish a center of excellence for sustainability solutions based in Denmark. And finally, there's a MOU between the Observer Research Foundation and State of Green on strategic cooperation to promote knowledge sharing on solutions and facilitate research. Concludes the exchange of agreement ceremony. I now request the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs to conduct the proceedings.
Good afternoon, Honorable Prime Ministers, distinguished members of the delegations, friends from the media. We will now begin with the press statements. May I request Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to make his press statement. Sir, the floor is yours.
Your Excellency, सभी डेलीगेट्स, मीडिया के सभी साथियों, नमस्कार। कोरोना महामारी की शुरुआत से पहले यह हैदराबाद हाउस नियमित रूप से हेड्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट और हेड्स ऑफ स्टेट के स्वागत का साक्षी रहा है। पिछले 18-20 महीनों से यह सिलसिला थमा। एक नए सिलसिले की शुरुआत डेनमार्क के प्रधानमंत्री की यात्रा से हो रही है। एक्सेलेंसी, यह भी सुखद संयोग है कि आपकी पहली भारत यात्रा है। आपके साथ आए सभी डेनिश डेलीगेट्स और बिजनेस लीडर्स का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आज की हमारी मुलाकात भले ही पहली रूबरू मुलाकात, भारत और डेनमार्क के बीच संपर्क और सहयोग की गति बरकरार रही थी। इनफैक्ट आज से 1 साल पहले हमने अपनी वर्चुअल समिट में भारत और डेनमार्क के बीच ग्रीन स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप स्थापित करने का ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लिया था। यह हम दोनों देशों की दूरगामी सोच और पर्यावरण के प्रति सम्मान का प्रतीक है।